Hey, how you guys doing? It's Todd from Blue Trail Range. So today we're just going to do a quick PSA on proper safety equipment here at the range. Things that we expect to see you have when you come here to shoot. If not, we do have a lot of this stuff available here at the gun store. Alright, first and foremost is going to be hearing protection. And it can be anything from these little ear foamies, which are disposable, to the reusable kind. They come in a little plastic case. You can use a set like this, where these are passive, as in all they do is block sound. They got pretty good cushion on them. And then, of course, you can go to the next level, where you have the electronic ones that work when you turn them on. You can hear everything, and there's a cap on how loud it can get. So when the gunshot goes off, it's capped decibel wise. Normal electronic ones aren't going to have a boom mic and everything else. These are set up for not only that, but also hooking into a radio for talking. These are more on the more tactical side. Alright, next one, obviously, is eye protection. It could be as simple as you wear prescription glasses. They're built in, there you go. Alright, say you don't wear prescription glasses. When you're outside, well, you can do something like your sunglasses. You have to wear them. Alright, but if it's a cloudy day, then you might want to have a pair of clear ones. Or you can get this smoked version, which is like sunglasses. And then everybody's favorite, the yellow version. I prefer clear because they work day or night. That's just me. Now, those are relatively inexpensive. They are made out of a polycarbonate material. They're normal safety glasses you would use for outdoor chores, woodworking, things of that nature. But if you want to step it up a little bit, outside of your normal sunglasses, prescription glass, whatever, then you can always get something like these Wileys, which are more in line with the sport glass look. These are clear. We have yellow, we have smoked. When the lenses get all scratched up, you can replace the lenses. They're pretty good with that. We also come to the portion where you are shooting guns, and we all know that when you depress the trigger and the firearm goes off, you are atomizing lead, and of course there's a bunch of other things that are getting atomized going everywhere. So to help mitigate some of those things, we recommend, but you don't need them, are gloves. Alright? Especially here in New England in the winter, it's cold. Gloves do help. Don't wear big poofy winter gloves. Wear simple tactical gloves. You can get them off of Amazon. Pig Solutions makes a real good set. So does 511. There's a bunch of them out there. You always want to get a size down from what you think you are, because you want these to be pretty tight on your hand. As you use them, they'll wear in. And you can do everything from regular cloth to like these are a mixture of leather and the cloth. My hands are not super big, but these are smalls. They fit my wife just fine. They're really tight on my hand. The more you use it, the more you'll break them in, and they'll fit better, especially after they've been exposed to the elements for a few sessions of shooting. And when you're all said and done, you're going to want to wash your hands with soap and cold water. Don't use warm water, as that opens up the pores, and then the lead can get into your system. The soap here at the range, in our bathrooms, and everywhere else are, it's called D-lead, and it's specifically designed to remove the lead from your skin. You can get these D-lead wipes off Amazon. You can get the soap itself off Amazon. But just so you know, here at the range, all of the soap that we have is the D-lead soap. So wash your hands before you're going to go eat, drink, or smoke, so you're not contaminating yourself. Obviously, don't be putting your fingers in your mouth or anybody else's mouth. Don't rub your eyes. Now, with all this gear, you're pretty set up for the range. Now, that's not the only things you can have. You can add to. One of the things I would recommend always having is some sort of boo-boo kit. It could be simple as some Band-Aids. Always want to throw those into the range bag. You never know. Sometimes you get slide bite and you're going to be bleeding everywhere. It happens sometimes. So you can always come in here. We have first aid kits and we can hook you up and get you all patched up. But if you bring your own Band-Aids and whatnot, you'll be good to go. There's no need to come in here and patch up your boo-boos. You can get basic first aid kits off of Amazon. You can buy them at CVS or Walgreens or whatever local drugstore is in your area. I prefer something like an IFAK, like this one from Real World Concepts. They come stocked pretty well. Pull it out and you have access to all your first aid stuff. I added Band-Aids and everything to mine, so if I need a Band-Aid or whatever, I'm gonna pull it out. You can always add things like tourniquets and whatever else. Sky's the limit at that point. While you're here at the range, make sure you have hearing protection and eye protection at the bare minimum. All right, we want to protect those assets that we have that we can't easily replace. All right, that's about it. There's your little safety brief for the day.